Hello and Happy New Year to all my garden friends. I hope you made it into the new year with your plants still growing and all of your garden dreams still coming alive. If you planted potatoes earlier this season, then this video is for you. By now, you've probably noticed lots of leafy growth, maybe some flowers popping up and some falling off, and you're standing there wondering, is it okay? Is it time for me to harvest? I've got some of my potato plants that are already growing in here. This one has already flowered, still has some flowers intact, and some have already fallen off. Let's talk about what your potatoes are really telling you and how to know exactly when they are ready for harvest. I want to help you to read your potato plants properly so you don't dig up too early and regret it, or wait too long until there's nothing left in the ground. If you're watching this, I'm going to assume that your potatoes are already in the ground. They've sprouted, they've grown tall, and you've probably done a bit of healing by adding some soil or mulch over the stems as they grow. At this stage, your job is just to observe. And potatoes are very good at communicating if you know what to look for. Let's talk about potato flowers. Talking about potato flowers, this is where a lot of confusion starts. When potato plants flower, this means that the plant has reached maturity above the ground. The roots are strong, the leaves are feeding well, and the plant has enough energy to reproduce. Some potato plants will flower heavily and give loads of flowers, and some will produce only a few flowers, and other varieties don't flower at all. Now, these flowers, they have a tendency to fall off. You might notice that some flowers will fall off while others are still growing. This is normal, don't panic. Potato flowers are sensitive to heat, wind, and even watering patterns. The important thing to remember is this: these flowers are not the signal for harvest. When potatoes flower, the real action is happening underground. While you are admiring your flowers above the ground, the plant is sending energy down to the roots to start forming new tubers. This is when potatoes are being shaped and filled out. From the moment flowering starts, you are usually looking at another 3 to 5 weeks before you can get a mature harvest. If you harvest too early, you'll get small, tiny potatoes with thin skins. But if you wait, you'll get heavier potatoes with better texture and storage quality. This is when you can decide whether you want to get fresh potatoes or storage potatoes. If you're impatient, and I understand, so you can harvest and then get yourself some new potatoes. New potatoes can be harvested about 2 to 3 weeks after you see their flowers. These are small, tender, and the skins easily rub off if you touch them. These new potatoes are perfect for immediate cooking, but they don't store very well. If you're looking for storage potatoes, patience is key. This means that you're going to have to wait a bit longer for you to get these potatoes. The real sign that your potatoes are ready and it's not just flowers playing with you, you must look at the leaves. When the leaves start turning yellow, collapsing, and dying back naturally, that's the plant telling you that I'm done growing and the tubers are ready for you. And from here, you wait about 7 to 14 days before you do the actual harvest. This will allow your potato skins to toughen up and protect your potatoes during storage. Before you dig everything up, do a test. Gently peel one potato. If the skin rubs off easily and you are looking for storage potatoes, just wait a bit longer. If the skin feels firm and stays intact if you're rubbing it, then that means you've got yourself some beautiful storage potatoes and you can go ahead and harvest. As we start this new year, let's garden with patience and let your potatoes finish their journey. The harvest will be worth it. As always, happy gardening to you, and I'll see you on the next video.